Hey guys, so we're gonna look at completing the squares. So when you look at an equation like this and you're trying to solve for x, the first thing that you want to look for when completing the squares is the number in front of the x squared. It always has to be 1. So if it's not 1, you have to factor out that number. So if it's 2, you have to divide 2 from each number. Luckily for this case, we have a 1, so we can proceed. So first thing I'm going to do is going to rewrite this as x squared plus 2x. I'm going to leave a blank spot right there. Equals, and then I'm going to move this 8 over. So it's going to be a positive 8. Now, underneath that, I'm going to write x plus, and then half of this number, which is 1 squared. Now we go back up to this equation, and we do plus, and then the square of this number that we just came up with, which is square of 1 is still 1. And whatever we do to this side, we also have to do this side, so we'll do plus 1 on that as well. Now, we can bring this guy down, so that equals 9. And then from here, we just solve for x. So take the square root of each side. It's going to be x plus 1 equals plus or minus the square root of 9. Don't forget the plus or minus. So we now have two options, two answers. X plus 1 equals positive square root of 9, which is 3, or x plus 1 equals negative square root of 3, which is negative 3. So x equals 2, or x equals negative 4. Now to check your answers, you can plug in 2 into this equation, and you can plug in 4 into this equation, and in both cases you should get 0.